Yep, you seen the title in the thumbnail, and you already know when you're looking for some good wings, you already know the channel to come to, and that's All Wings Everything. I'm gonna show you guys how to make some hot garlic chili oil wings. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, guys, let's do a quick rundown of what we have for today's recipe. Back here, we have our chicken, of course. We have some chili garlic sauce right here. We have honey, garlic powder, onion powder, hot smoked paprika, some brown sugar, garlic cloves, sesame seeds, kosher salt, cumin, black pepper, some Korean chili flakes here, and we have some hot chili oil right there. So that's all you're gonna need. Let's get to it. All right, to get started, I'm gonna use about a tablespoon of yellow mustard, and I'm gonna use this as a binder. And we're just gonna go in and get these babies mixed in like this with that yellow mustard. Just like that. Now we're gonna start adding our dry seasoning. This is our brown sugar, black pepper, kosher salt, smoked paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, cumin, and our Korean chili flakes. Then we're gonna go in with our hands and get that all mixed up really, really good. Guys, just like that. Now we're just gonna sit this aside and continue. So next we're gonna load our chicken up on our bake tray in our rack. Now, this is interchangeable. You could use this as a top rack like this, or you could use it as the bottom rack like that. You can put it like that, depending on what you're cooking. Right now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna use the top rack like this. And remember, this tray comes with the TOSHIBA Microwave Airfryer Oven. So we're gonna get over there in just a second. So before we add our chicken pieces, I'm gonna spray this with a little cooking spray. Gonna add our chicken pieces here. All right, my rack is full, so let's head over to our TOSHIBA Microwave Airfryer Oven so we can start cooking. All right, so before we head over to our air fryer, let's talk about today's sponsor, TOSHIBA. They sent me their Air Fryer Combo 8-in-1 Countertop Microwave Oven. Yes, you heard me. One microwave with the functions of a microwave, air fryer, broiler, combination, and low temperature cooking. It has a large capacity to fit a whole roasted chicken in a 12-inch pizza. Now, I love the classic black stainless steel finish, which goes well in my kitchen. It's equipped with bright, large LED digital display that makes it easy to operate just by turning the knob or touch control panel. Now, here's some convenient features that it has. The one-touch popcorn, multi-stage cooking, a clock, and a kitchen timer. Now, no need for you to go out and buy a separate air fryer, toaster oven, or microwave. This product has everything you need wrapped up in one. It's time for you to start enjoying wholesome fried foods with this original taste, but less fat with this TOSHIBA Air Fryer Oven. I'll leave a link to this product in the video description below. Check it out. Let's get back to these wings. So now we're at the microwave oven. I'm gonna show you guys how to operate this. Now, we're not gonna use the microwave function. We're gonna use the air fryer function. As you see, it has many different function on here. Air fryer, broil, bake. They got a combination function where you can combine microwave, bake, and however you want to combine it. They have that here. So we're just gonna click on air fryer. We're gonna preheat this baby up to 400 degrees. Hit start twice. Once to set it, then the second time to start it. So we're gonna let this preheat. As you see right here, it's flashing. Once it stops flashing and becomes solid, that's how you know you're ready to put those wings in there, all right? Or your food, whatever you're cooking. As you can see, all the lines are solid right here. That's how you know it's preheated. Now you want to open your door. You have to open your door to continue. Now you want to take your chicken. We have it here on our tray here. Gonna sit it in here like this on our microwave dish. You close the door, you set the timer, and we're gonna let this baby cook for about 24 minutes, flipping them over midway through the cooking process. So once you set your timer to start it back up, you just press the button on the dial and we start it back up. Simple, all right? All right, guys, so we're gonna pause it. We're at our halfway mark. Open our door. I'm gonna remove them and then I'm gonna go ahead and get them flipped over and I'm gonna come right back, all right? All right, we're gonna add these back in here. We're gonna close our door and then start it back. We just press the dial, the button on the dial. We start back up for the remaining 12 minutes. All right, guys, we're down to 0. Let's open this door. And it's time to look at these groceries. So let's jump over to our cutting board. All right, so this is what we have. Man, let's take a look at one of these babies. These babies are hot. Look at that. Oh, man. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna stick these over in a warmer while we go over to our stove and prepare our hot chili oil. All right, so we're gonna start preparing our chili oil. Right here, we're gonna add our garlic chili sauce here, our honey, our chili oil, some minced garlic, and we're gonna get this stirred around in here until it simmers, kind of heats through and simmers. All right, once you start seeing it bubble like that, you wanna turn your heat off, give it a quick stir. All right, now let's move over to our chicken and get these babies sauced up. All right, so now we're gonna add our chicken to a bowl. We're gonna take our chili sauce, we're gonna pour it here over our wings like this. And we're gonna do a little shaky bakey, getting these babies moved around in here. Guys, take a look at that. Man. All right, let's go ahead and get them plated up so we can jump into quality control. And there you have it, guys. Hot garlic chili oil wings. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. We're gonna go ahead and jump into quality control so we can give it a taste test. Yeah, it's quality control time. Y'all know my favorite part of the show. Let's bring these wings to the front of the congregation. Y'all let me know what y'all think about these wings. Man, let's go ahead and get right to it. We ain't gonna waste no time. Oh, man. Oh, man. Listen, these babies fire. I love the seasoning profile of this right here. You can taste everything in the season, the paprika, the cumin, of course the salt and the pepper, chili powder. Man, it's all meshing well together. And yes, a beautiful product made by our TOSHIBA Microwave Airfryer Oven. Yep, I love that gadget there. A microwave with an oven and an air fryer in the same product. Oh man, you can't go wrong with that. I'ma leave all the information in the video description below. I want y'all to go over there, check it out. Matter of fact, I want you to go and buy you one. You won't regret it. Throw away that old microwave, throw away that little air fryer, and get you one of these TOSHIBA Microwave Airfryer Oven. So to the end, y'all already know who I am, the Wing King. It's evident in these wings. And remember, I'm not a chef, just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.